My name is Wahyu Nurul Fitri.
My name is Ibrahim Rahman.
My name is Rismawati.
My name is Makfira.
I want to explain about quotation marks. Quotation marks atau yang lebih dikenal dengan kata tanda petik dalam bahasa Indonesia. Definition of quotation marks is punctuation that are used in pairs to display quotes, both written or spoken from other people. On the quotation marks, there are several rules regarding the use of other punctuation marks and quotation marks. The first, quotation marks, exclamation point, and dashes go inside the quotation. If they are not, place them outside in quotation marks. For example, 1. The doctor asks, "Can you feel any brain in this area?" 2. She said, "I won't be coming home tonight."
Next, punctuation within quotation mark. Period and commas go inside closing quotation mark. Example, let's wait a few minutes, suggested Doris, before we leave. Jadi, koma ditempatkan tepat sebelum quotation mark yang menutup kutipan. Kemudian dilanjutkan oleh attribution. Yang dimaksud dengan attribution adalah siapa yang berbicara dalam kutipan tersebut. Attribution juga diapit oleh sepasang koma. Next, colons and semicolons go outside closing quotation mark. Example, I can see only one challenge for the speaker of the route, less travel, ambivalence. The critic called the latest capture an abomination to sensitive eyes. The artist was hard.
Saya akan menjelaskan tentang apa itu tanda hubung dan tata cara penggunaannya. The main purpose of a hyphen is to join words in creating compound nouns or adjective. Hyphen signal words together for a single purpose. 1. Use a hyphen to join two consequential nouns working together as one. For example, Shannon is a teacher, hyphen, put. 2. Use a hyphen to join multi-words compound noun. For example, fly, hyphen, buy, hyphen, Nike. 3. Use a hyphen to join two or more words that function as a single adjective preceding the noun. For example, the hiker saw a run down cabin in the clearing. Or use a hyphen to join prefixes such as self. For example, Abraham Lincoln was a self-made man. 5. Use a hyphen to avoid confusion or awkward spellings. For example, the coach decided to pair. Prepare itu artinya dua orang, jadi dia pakai tanda hubung. 6. Use a hyphen to join a capital letter word. For example, the U hyphen join went out in our second care. 7. Use a hyphen to write two word numbers between 21 and 99 as words. For example, 26. Jadi penulisannya itu 20-6.
Next, use happen to join fractions right as words. Example, 3, 5. Use happen to join number to words. Use a single adjective. 3 yard pass. Egg and still to word sentence. 5 stroke large. You happen to join number and adjective. Example, 54-year-old woman, $10 profit. You happen to write the time of day as word. Example, 12:34 o'clock appointment. You happen to join number indicating a lifespan, a score of the duration of an event. You happen to spread a word between syllables at the end of a line.